lehniam Durga Puja yang kiwangai niam Hindu hajwai da poi ke wakut ni da Vijaya Dashami hei wada pengam lut ya kibla hapok khalem iwaman ibenta yang kawa mentedu hajwai. Ya ini ipengam dawan sakhi ki paiba na kaleng gajwai hei lang ki bor pulit wa ki bor distring. Kiwangai niam cenderang wakan thai wa he wakana da chat ki tembut luti hei ki sur ki bom wa kiwi na do na yaw musiang hadu wa poi hapok khalem. Maria sedang ipengam ya ki belai de jo Islam hei wadangai wa ihir slap wanra ya miat ibha hak imlang salang. Neliang presiden kasarba janin Durga Puja Committee usyo mitra Chakravarti de ongu wa ipengam to dewa yadaya karam au namo ka green immersion iwadale lakam wasan senem hajwai katu kat kam i hukum ke kyndon yang ke NGT. De ongu wa kirong ki wada pen MKM le mto ki wakta ya ke wa da pelang ya i wada pengam cithau don khnang yo yi wo kendria ya ki na ke hadin. Cucu da ongo wahi por wa pengam ya ki belai de hier Islam wa ini man idak yong ibha imian kat kami ngai niam yong ki.
Ye like song eh? Song ke nacho bet ke nacho song nacho. Nacho. Suanu ya jangan. Nacho. Chú ya kan. Ini udah buat biar gitu. itu. Pe pun na. Pe. Pe. Pe dap smart. Dong. ना मूर्ति बांधे के नहीं हाँ ये पकड़ रहे इसमें बांध दे इसको ये लक्ष्मी माता को ये बांधा हुआ ये कृष्णा
भैया वो चप्पल को निकाल के बाहर फेंक दीजिए। वो कौन फेंक रहा है चप्पल है बुआ रे? वो चप्पल को बाहर फेंको तो है छोटू। अरे भैया वो चप्पल बाहर फेंकते इधर। चप्पल
Mama,เอาจากขัดดู우리 dio
See, actually, we have been following the protocol set out by the NGT tribunal. As per the directions of the NGT, we are doing the immersion process, and we make sure that no non-biodegradable substances get mixed with the water. The dyes which are used in the idols as well are very much organic, and as you can see, after the immersions, we have kept them barricaded in an area, so that the entire river doesn't get polluted. And we are trying this green to be immersion since last 5 years or so, ever since that NGT directions has been issued to us. And we have been following the district administration's protocol as well, in not littering around the place of immersion. And this year also it was done in a very disciplined manner as directed. And we are happy that the immersion process has been so peaceful, with the cooperation from all the devotees, all the faithfuls of the Durga Puja festival. And the celebrations were quite grand this year, in fact. And as you can see, the climate is quite cloudy now. So as per our belief that while goddess leaves from this earth and goes back to her heavenly abode to reside with her husband at the Kailasa Parvat, she feels that pain or grief in her mind, and that is why we believe that this kind of little bit of rainfall is also there, so as to which also signifies the fact that we are praying for peace and prosperity in the entire world. And as mankind, we pray before the goddess Durga that everywhere, in any part of the world, wherever humankind is residing, there may be peace, prosperity, tranquility and brotherhood. And we need to prosper this way as human beings for developing the overall situation, current scenario of the world. And I pray and I wish all the viewers through this channel of yours that may this Durga Puja bring peace and brotherhood all among the race of humankind in the world. Thank you very much.